भिलोळी येथे इंदोरवाला ENT हॉस्पिटलचे मान्यवरांच्या उपस्थितीत दिमाखात उद्घाटन संपन्न. भिलोळी येथे उभारलेल्या सर्व सुविधांनी युक्त इंदोरवाला ENT हॉस्पिटलचा शुभारंभ संपन्न झाला. या कार्यक्रमाच्या अध्यक्षस्थानी महाराष्ट्र आरोग्य विज्ञान विद्यापीठाच्या कुलगुरू लेफ्टनंट जनरल डॉक्टर माधुरी कानिटकर निवृत्त. या प्रसंगी हॉस्पिटलचे प्रमुख आणि ज्येष्ठ कान घसा तज्ज्ञ डॉक्टर शब्बीर इंदोरवाला, डॉक्टर अबुझर इंदोरवाला, डॉक्टर युसुफ पंजाब, श्रीमती इंदोरवाला, डॉक्टर श्रीनिवास शानबाग, डॉक्टर गौरी महाजन, ओमा यमा इंदोरवाला, मुर्तजा मोदी, आमदार प्राध्यापक देवयानी फरांदे, विभाग आयुक्त डॉक्टर प्रवीण गेडाम, जिल्हाधिकारी जलज शर्मा यांच्या समवेत वैद्यकीय प्रशासकीय क्षेत्रातील मान्यवर व्यक्ती उपस्थित होते. देशात मेडिकल टुरिझमचे प्रमाण वाढत असून जगभरातील रुग्णांना रास्त दरात आरोग्य सुविधा उपलब्ध होत आहेत. जागतिक दर्जाच्या सुविधा पुरता मर्यादित न राहता आपल्या क्षेत्राचे जागतिक स्तरावर नेतृत्व करण्यासाठी सज्ज होण्याची आवश्यकता आहे. कान घसा शाखेतील वैद्यकीय उपचारासंदर्भात जसे नेतृत्व करण्याची क्षमता इंदोरवाला ENT हॉस्पिटलमध्ये आहे असे प्रतिपादन पद्मविभूषण आणि ज्येष्ठ शास्त्रज्ञ डॉक्टर अनिल काकोडकर यांनी केले.
We just saw a wonderful facility and we also heard an appraiser of that facility from none other than the Honorable Vice Chancellor of Maharashtra University of Health Sciences, who herself has a lot of experience about both the medical infrastructure and making it work, and for that matter the larger development of medical facilities, medical support system for the benefit of common people of this country. So I think Team Indorwala and especially Dr. Shabir, you deserve our highest compliments for the achievement and contribution. I am sure there are facilities and facilities. We hear, multi-speciality institutions is a very common thing that we hear. But a very high speciality and a single focus, and within that single focus we saw the diversity from your presentation.
डॉक्टर अबुझर इंदोरवाला यांनी कान घसा या शाखेत जागतिक दर्जाच्या आरोग्य सेवा रुग्णालयातून उपलब्ध होणार आहेत. हॉस्पिटलमध्ये एका छताखाली सर्व सुविधा उपलब्ध असल्याने रुग्ण आणि त्यांच्या नातेवाईकांची दमछाक टळणार आहे. आर्थिकदृष्ट्या दुर्बल घटकांपर्यंत उपचार पोहोचवण्यासाठी हॉस्पिटलशी संलग्न विविध सामाजिक संस्था योगदान देत आहेत. आगामी काळात BASLP शिक्षणक्रम सुरू करण्याचा मानस असल्याचं त्यांनी सांगितलं.
हाड चिटकलेली असेल आणि त्याचं ऑपरेशन झालं तर यश मिळण्याची शक्यता 99% पेक्षा जास्त आहे, which is a huge jump. And believe me, even today sir relentlessly and positively thinks about the fact how to get that 0.5% down to 0.33%, and he spends sleepless nights. When I say we, I mean Indorwala sir started this. We were fortunate enough, myself, Dr. Gauri Mahajan, Dr. Parul, Yusuf sir, Modi sir, we were fortunate enough to cross paths with him in one way or the other. And together now we talk about, not about Dr. Indorwala, but we talk about the Indorwala team, which comprises of all of us. Thank you, Dad. Tonsil septum karna hai tere. Tonsil septum, I have not done a tonsillectomy this year. Since January till this is the 30th of March, I have not performed a single tonsillectomy this year because the paradigm has changed. Yes, you asked me how many stepidotomies I have done. Maybe I think I must have done around 20. How many tympanoplasties, how many mastectomies, how many skull-based surgeries. Now that is where we start making a difference. How many glomus surgeries? how many vestibular schwannomas, how many vagal schwannomas. I am talking about very high-end, very advanced ear diseases and their treatment that is available in this hospital.
डॉक्टर शब्बीर इंदोरवाला यांनी आपल्या वैद्यकीय क्षेत्रातील पदार्पणाचा रंजक अनुभव सांगितला.
Of conspiracy. Believe me, when I will explain you how, you will realize that I am really a victim of conspiracy. And if you know your conspirator, you can do something about it. But if your conspirator is cosmos, what do? I am a victim of cosmic conspiracy. I'll tell you why. It is by multiple episodes that ultimately I got into medical branch. I had no intention to go into medicine. I was fully prepared myself for a engineering branch. But somehow I landed there. Having landed there and having passed my anatomy and physiology, and in anatomy and physiology, I could never see the nerves that they would keep talking about. This nerve is passing this way, the inguinal nerve, the facial nerve. I wouldn't see them. And whenever I would ask my teacher why I can't see them, it's cadaver में नहीं दिखता है. Now cadaver में नहीं दिखता है तो कहीं तो दिखता होगा. So we passed and I went into medical, that is surgical. I was now allowed, I was senior enough to go into operation theater. And when I started seeing surgeries over there, I was again told, now नहीं दिखता है. Now दिखता नहीं है तो है भी क्या? It was my genuine regular question कि now दिखता नहीं है तो है क्या? Or otherwise it's the imagination of human being. I did not see the nerve even. I particularly remember one inguinal hernia being done and I asked the surgeon, sir, can you show me the inguinal nerve? No, you can't show it.
आरोग्य सुविधेत हॉस्पिटलचे क्रांतिकारक पाऊल ठरणार आहे असे गौरवोद्गार कुलगुरू डॉक्टर माधुरी कणेटकर यांनी सांगितले.
Delegates who are present here, I think I'll start by saying friends, Nashikites and Kannak Dr. Walas, lend me your ear. So I think it's a great honor for me to be here today. Just looking through it, going through the hospital, I spent some time and I'm amazed what 4 years could do. The way they've transformed this landscape. And I really compliment this. Cannot be just a chance of destiny, but you are destined to bring this to Nasik. And you're really lucky. It's a state-of-the-art facility. And in this, when I looked around, I was thrilled with the potential that it has. I've always strived for an amalgamation of 3 silos that exist in the country today: the education, research, and patient care. Traditionally, education is happening in colleges, which are mushrooming with lack of faculty. Research is happening in DST, DBT, ICMR labs, with very little connection with patients. And patient care, the majority is happening in our public health service, primary, secondary, tertiary, and they do not have access to either the research or the academics. So these are the silos that pain me. And after taking over at the MUHS, we have strived as a hashtag MUHS Parivar to try and bring about a change. I'll just say try, because the journey has just begun and we have a long way to go.
कार्यक्रमाचे सूत्रसंचालन डॉक्टर चंद्रकांत संकलेचा यांनी केले. आभार डॉक्टर युसुफ पंजाबी यांनी मानले. आर्किटेक्ट बाकीर जफर, CFO मुर्तजा मोदी, चीफ एक्झिक्युटिव्ह ऑफिसर डॉक्टर युसुफ पंजाब, डॉक्टर अनिल काकोडकर यांच्यासह हॉस्पिटलचे डॉक्टर कर्मचारी वृंद उपस्थित होते. NCN न्यूजसाठी रोहन दनी नाशिक.